Hi everyone, my name is Carol Salemi and I'm going to show you my super sexy and super intense legs and booty workout. Are you ready? So we're going to start off with 20 jumping squats. So drop that butt low and jump straight up. Oof, that got my legs and butt warmed up. Rest for a minute and I'm gonna show you the next exercise. Alright, so the next exercise is the close squat. So keep your feet pretty close together, put your butt down, and let's do 20. I feel my butt working. Rest for a minute and I'm gonna show you the next one. Okay, after a rest, we're gonna do a variation of the ice skaters and it's really gonna work out the side of the butt muscles. Wow, I'm really feeling those. So let's rest for 2 minutes and then I'll show you the next one. So now we're gonna do a one leg squat, stepping out to the side. We're gonna go for 20. That was intense. You should repeat this workout 3 to 4 times and your legs and butt are gonna be hot. Okay, so my name is Carol Salemi. Thanks for watching this workout. I hope it was intense enough for you. And if you like it, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.